There's some tower thing. We are at the Thayer garage, and presumably there's elevators here. So let's go ahead and find them. I see them through the door. Here we are. That didn't take very long now, did it? Huh, they're across from each other. Little free door. GAL door equipment. I don't know what the heck these are. Back down to one. Pretty dreary, typical parking garage cab. Adams Survivor Plus. Look at that pretty door. Let's catch that again. We'll go up to 4. Down to 1. Let's get an impact cam. Nice leveling. Anyway, it's the Thayer garage.